Basketball terms, take 3.
And 1. This is my favorite part of the game. Say I get like a monster dunk and somebody fouls me. You know, I get a chance to make a 3-point play. Sometimes it could be a 4-point play, but you know, Kobe Bryant knows more about that than I do. This is fun.
And 1 though, really means something else to you.
Yeah, it means a lot to me, you know. Gotta have that side with your meal, you know. Lee's does a great job with their sides. Let me show you. Doesn't just look special. This is an and 1. The mashed potatoes for sure. Look at the gravy on top. Nothing better. Teamwork, it's important. Everybody on the team works together to win the game, you know. Here's a great example of teamwork, but off the court. You have your leads worker. He's happy for a reason. He gets to work with his dynamic duo partner from Henny. That's a big basket. You know what goes in big baskets? A lot of chicken. And a lot of chicken goes in a big bucket from Lee's. You know who's gonna eat that whole bucket without sharing with a single person? Me, Deuce. That's teamwork right there. 92-0, perfect.